International presents News 18 She Shakti 2024.
Namaste, Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. Are you having a great time at She Shakti 2024? Do you know who this lady is? She has taken all this effort to come all this way here. थोड़ा तो यार खुल के दिल से स्वागत करो आप इनका, please. And a big shout out for Sikandar here. He's come for his mom, and his mom has come for us. So please. सबसे पहले, thank you very much, ma'am.
Most welcome, Anand. I told you that you're my favorite anchor, and I've done it for you.
Wow.
I want it. And I like the channel
As
very
like
much.
2-3 inch or I'll go up. But this is one thing that's ticked off my bucket list. Because 2 years back on the same News 18, I had Anupam Kher sir and Sikandar with me. So उस वक्त सोचा था किसी दिन किरण मैम भी आ जाएं. So that's the day when Anupam sir said, किरण मैम तो तुमको रेगुलर देखती हैं. I said किसी दिन आने तो कहिए. So देखिए शी शक्ति का मंच है.
आप एक फोन कर देते तो मैं आ जाती. अनुपम जी के कहने पे शायद ना आती, लेकिन आपके फोन पे जरूर आ जाती. तो आपने वाया नहीं जाना चाहिए, सीधी बात करनी.
सीधा ठीक है, आपसे सीधा ही डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन ही है मैम. बट ये कहाँ से सीखा आपने ये?
क्या?
कि किसी को भी आप 1 सेकंड में चित कर देती हैं.
चित कर देती हूँ.
और क्या चार्म ऑफेंसिव है कि नहीं है?
Well, I suppose you're born with it, na? It's a gift of the gab. It's a sense of feistiness in life. It's a sense of मतलब मजा आता है ना. ऐसे जिंदगी जीनी है तो खुल कर जियो, नहीं तो क्या फायदा.
Penny, for your thoughts, Sikandar, right now, what were you thinking? Honestly.
There's no comparison now. She's sitting on stage. I have nothing better to say.
No, but you wrote a lovely post in June on her birthday.
Yes.
Why? What was the thought behind that post?
I mean, when I write for her, I didn't want much before also. I mean, I usually don't like getting on Instagram and wishing people happy birthday and all. Now it's become too stressful. Because you do it for one, you have to do it for everyone. If you don't do it, then somebody feels bad. It's really such a pain. But, and the best part is she's not even on Instagram. She's on Instagram, but she's not on Instagram. I'm like, Mom, aapne padha ki aapne padha nahi? She's like, nahi, mere paas to hai bhi nahi. So then we have to send screenshots and put it on the family group. But it's, to be very honest, it's easier to write my feelings to her than to say them to her. Because I think that's just my personal space and my personal thought. And just the life that she's given me. And how much she's sacrificed. Can't ban kar lo, Mom. The life she sacrificed everything for me, to be very honest. She came to become a leading lady in the Indian film industry. And
You decided to come along.
I decided to come along. And that's it, yeah. She just quit her dreams, all her dreams. And then finally, when I was grown up enough and she thought that she could, when she started work, when she finally started work, she got so much of love. Just imagine had she started at that time, when she was young and absolutely
good, better looking.
You're always beautiful, Mom, but I mean, age is such a big criteria in this line. And I think her entire career graph would have been very different. She would have still been working, no doubt, because according to me, she's a phenomenal actor, if I may say so myself.
आप नहीं सोच रहे हैं हाय मेरे को पहले ही बता देता, बार-बार बता देता?
क्या?
नहीं, अभी जो कह रहा है, if he would only say it more often to you.
But more often कौन सा बच्चा कहता है? More often तो वो चिढ़ के, लड़ाई करके, कुछ ना कुछ वापस उल्टे जवाब देकर, यही होता है ना. But अंदर से फीलिंग तो मुझे पता है उसकी क्या है. Let's see, Sikandar is my life. And I had made up my mind that when he turns 14, I will work again. And whatever work I'll get will be the best. So I got 2 national awards immediately. One with Sardari Begum, one with Badiwali. Then Khamosh Pani got me so many international awards. So I did those films. And then I stepped into commercial cinema. I couldn't say no to Sanjay Leela Bansali's Devdas. The role was so outstanding. And then I could not say no to all the dear friends, Yash Chopra, Farah Khan, this one, एक कर ली commercial film तो सबकी करनी पड़ी. And I enjoyed it thoroughly. I enjoyed working in those films with Karan Johar, with all of them, dear friends. तो मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया वो कर.
तो कभी ये थॉट, मैं बस जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ये थॉट नहीं आया कि यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ सिकंदर एंड ही इज़ ग्रोइंग एंड यू आर डूइंग योर जॉब एज अ नर्चरर, बट देन यू आर सीइंग अदर्स डू रोल्स ऑन स्क्रीन एंड से ये तो मैं कर सकती थी, ये मेरी तरफ आता.
नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है कि मैं कर सकती थी. उसमें आई डोंट हैव टू फील बैड अबाउट इट. आई थिंक द होल जो पूरी परिभाषा है हिंदी मदर की, हिंदी स्क्रीन की मदर की, I changed it in a sense. She became more fun-filled. She was not the, with due respect to her, the Nirupa Roy of the Hindi film industry, you know. She became full of fun. She became the Hum Tum Ki mother. She became the, you know, the gorgeous Devdas ki mother. You know, it was a woman, a feisty woman, a woman who was full of fun and life and बहुत मज़ेदार. ओम शांति ओम, कितना मज़ा आया वो फिल्में करके. And the whole set was so interesting, you know, all the friends you worked with. Shahrukh was a wonderful co-star to work with. बहुत प्यार से give and take से काम करा.
तो किसी को आपके इस लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल वाले कंडीशन से कभी दिक्कत नहीं?
क्या नहीं? कौन सी?
लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल वाले कंडीशन
सबको पता है. मजाल है कि इसके बारे में कोई कुछ कहते हैं. Everybody knows it. The whole film industry knows it, and the television industry knows it. Everyone knows it. कि और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल आपने तो खैर दिया नहीं, बट आपका फ्लोर वाइट है और एक बाउंस. अब जैसे जैसे आपकी उम्र बढ़ती है, यू नीड द बाउंस बिकॉज अंडर आइज बेटर लगती हैं. आपको तो पता होगा, आप लोग तो सब लगा लगा कर अपनी न्यूज़ पढ़ते हो.
हम तो लाए.
Every woman who has been known to be slightly good looking in her youth wants to continue it for as long as possible. Nobody wants to look like, you know, rubbish. Everybody wants to look a little bit better. मेरे को तो जहाँ पे बिठाया था मुझे जब पार्लियामेंट में, तो जो कैमरा मेरे को लेता था वो मेरा पूरा राइट प्रोफाइल ही लेता. तो उसके बाद मैंने सोचना ही बंद कर दिया. मैंने कहा ले लो भैया, लेफ्ट है राइट है जहाँ से मर्जी, एज लॉन्ग एज जो बोल रहे हैं वो ठीक से रिकॉर्ड होना.
Then 2021-22, around the second phase, there is also news that breaks closer home.
Yeah.
About your mom's illness.
Yeah.
What happened there?
That was 2020 only, actually.
2020,
It was the end of 2020. In fact, I was shooting for this movie called Monkey Man, which I did. We were shooting in Batam, which is a small island in Indonesia, because that was a place where we could create a bubble. It was a tough shoot in general because there was a lot of action, and I was there for 4 months, and there's, you know, everything is in a bubble, so you're very disconnected from the rest of the world. And then I think life plays their cards the way it does, and then you get to know, I mean, what do you do at that point? You know, I think she's very strong that way. We were always there and are there for her throughout. And yeah, I mean, see, at the end of the day, life goes on, work goes on, and but there's nothing much you can really do, right? What the cards that are dealt, you have to play them.
You once scared little bit also कि मेरी माँ को इतनी भयंकर बीमारी हो गई है.
अरे मैं तो बीमारी के लिए डर रहा था माँ.
हाँ?
मैं तो बीमारी के लिए डर रहा था. How can it mess with you? It can't mess with you. I'm like गलत जगह आ गए बॉस तुम. No, she's. Why do you want to ask these questions? If I mean, you're my
Because
mother.
I've never seen you being emotional about it ever.
There's nothing.
I wanted you to be a little bit. You were not.
Those conversations were between me and Dad when I was in Batam. Now if sub
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, what do you mean you didn't know that? We're your family,
No, but
Mom.
because your my
I love it
husband
over here. We're having this conversation.
Anupam used to look बड़ा सा घबराया हुआ when he used to come into my hospital room. But Sikandar तो was cool.
So now let's ask her, what went through your mind? Acting was going well. As a politician, you were doing well.
Acting नहीं कर रही थी मैं. I was only doing India's Got Talent.
India's Got Talent.
बस. I didn't do anything else. I promised them in Chandigarh. I think I was the only film person who shifted bag and baggage to Chandigarh. It was easy to do it because Chandigarh is my hometown.
जी.
तो मैं तो वापस घर ही आ रही थी. मैं तो हर साल जाती थी वहाँ पे. तो मैंने कहा था मैं इंडियाज़ गॉट टैलेंट नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं करूँगी, लेकिन मैं बाकी कुछ नहीं करूँगी. एक भी फिल्म नहीं की मैंने उसके बाद. The
फुल
last
टाइम
one-
पॉलिटिशियन
हाँ?
कमिटेड. अभी भी चंडीगढ़ से ही आ रही हैं, गाड़ी से आ रही हैं.
Yeah.
बिकॉज फ्लाइट में उनको चढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता, सो शी डजंट लाइक, सो बट शी इज कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़ टू बी विद अस. हाँ, सॉरी.
तो मेरे को जब ये डर हर इंसान को लगता है कभी ना कभी ज़िंदगी में कि अगर हाय मुझे ये तो नहीं हो जाएगा, मुझे ये तो नहीं हो जाएगा. लेकिन स्ट्रेंजली जब हो जाता है ना, तो आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होती एक्सेप्ट टू एक्सेप्ट इट. क्या कर सकते हो, इलाज तो करवाना ही पड़ेगा. बीमारी से ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक इलाज है इसका, क्योंकि जो दवाइयाँ हैं, जो कि उसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं. The first 6 months, and I think 6 months to 8 months was very tough. But then God was kind. You leave it to the Lord.
As you look back, I'm not going to say how old she is, वो गुस्सा हो जाएंगी, but as you look back, do you
मैं
sometimes,
बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं होंगी. I'm 72 years old.
can you believe it?
I say it with
Can you
great
believe it?
pride. I'm saying it with great pride. देखो मैं 72 की हूँ, and how beautiful I am still.
Oh, absolutely.
जिंदा दिली है ना, यही ले जाती है सब जगह, नहीं तो और तो कुछ नहीं रखा जिंदगी में.
पर कभी आपने सोचा कि मैं ही क्यों, कि मेरे साथ ही इतना क्यों, मेरी
मेरे
तालीम
साथ
इतना सब
बहुत
कुछ क्यों परोसा. हाँ,
मेरे साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ जिंदगी में.
हाँ.
आई एम गॉड्स चोजन चाइल्ड, इसीलिए हुआ. ही चोज मी, और उसने मुझे इतना कुछ दिया, इतना प्यार दिया भगवान ने. मतलब मेरा सपना कभी फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड ये सब लेने का नहीं था. मेरा था नेशनल अवार्ड का. मुझे 2 मिले, दो मिले, एक भी नहीं. उस उम्र में शुरू करके मेरे को श्याम बेनेगल जी ने बुलाया था फिल्म के लिए मंडी.
हाँ.
तो वो उसमें बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे रोल थे. तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि गई मिलने, सिकंदर छोटा सा था. मैंने कहा कि मैं आपके साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ और एक दिन ज़रूर करूँगी, भले मेरी उम्र कितनी भी हो जाए, लेकिन वो मेन रोल होगा. एंड आई रिमाइंडेड हिम ऑफ इट ड्यूरिंग सरदारी बेगम. I did that film.
Wow.
So I waited. You must waited for the right thing. तो क्या पूछा था?
अच्छा, मैंने देखिए, मुझे पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. जो मैं पूछना चाहता था आप खुद ही बता रही हैं, और मजा आ रहा है.
I know I'll have to help you.
I know.
And hold you through this.
I wish you could do that every day, ma'am. But I'm asking you this: कि bad man, funny man, good man. How do you like to see Sikandar on screen?
As a good actor, whichever role it might be, it has to be a good performance and good behavior on the set, and he should be happy with it.
But सही मायने में big round of applause for the true embodiment of Shri Shakti. She's shown sahas, she's seen success, and she's also struggled right through it. Kiran ji, lovely speaking with you. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
making the effort. Sikandar, wish you all the best.
Thank you so
He's
much.
got 2 big movies coming through and some other projects. He said I can't talk about it on screen, but I'm just letting you know. So you're gonna see him on the parda, and then we'll ask Kiran ji अच्छा लगा कि नहीं लगा.
अच्छा करेगा, ये जो भी करता है generally बहुत अच्छा करता है. There must have been a problem with him on that set. I don't believe that he wouldn't have been good.
Lions International presents News 18.